name is Candace.
I'm Cadence. I'm Eric.
And this is
Building
Our
Our
Veggie
Veggie
Garden.
Hi, welcome. I learned about veggies in my school, and I asked my mom if we could make a veggie garden.
So we're here today to build our vegetable garden. So first we have to decide what we plan to plant. We have two options. Now at the end of the show, if you want to have the chips and the spinach salsa, we need to plant spinach. But if you rather eat salad, then we're going to plant lettuce. So guys, you have to decide which one do you want to eat at the end of the show.
I want the spinach.
The spinach salsa. They just made my day. Spinach has many nutrients. All right, so first we have to decide where we're going to place our pot. Where do you think we should put it?
Over there.
Oh, next to our other pot?
Yeah, because the spinach don't need that much sun. It just needs some shade.
Oh, so it could be good in the shade. Okay. So next we need to figure out which pot we're going to use. How about this terracotta pot?
It's perfect because it has a hole at the bottom to drain the water.
Oh, and you know what? Maybe we can put some more spinach seeds in this one. We can put some in here.
No, because if water just stays in there, it won't grow and the water will just sit there.
Oh, you're right. Next, though, what we do need is our soil. Do you think we can use the soil from the backyard?
No, because it don't have the mixture in it and the food for the plants. And it could have bugs in it to eat our plants.
Potting mix.
Food for the plants and the nutrients. And it don't have any bugs in it.
Okay. Well, let's start digging our soil.
Yay! Yeah!
guys did such a great job. This is your prize. The spinach salsa and the chips that Mississippi brought us.
Yay!
Try some.
It's really good.
Gosh, there's so much fun to have in our garden. But I'm afraid we ran out of time.
Like and subscribe to our channel.
And remember, keep fighting the good battle of the veggies. Until next time, bye.
Bye!